Hi guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing this UAG Scout Series case for the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. Now you can buy it online on Amazon or directly from the seller's website techitech.com. It is currently being sold at 2,799 rupees and comes in black color. Now this is the box. Here it says UAG and it talks about the drop protection, and at the bottom it says Scout Series for Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. On the back we have some more information and highlighting features which I'll talk about in a minute. Now without any delays, let me just open it up. So here's the case. Now this is how it looks on the inside. It has honeycomb pattern, and this is how it looks on the outside. Now let me just put it on the phone, and it's pretty easy to put this case on and it fits perfectly. Now this is how the phone looks with the case on. And this is how it looks on the back. It has all the cutouts, everything is in place. There is slight raised lip for the display, and even if you use a tempered glass, it should be pretty good. On the back there is slight raised lip for the camera module, and the case has a raised design in the middle. So when you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is still very well protected. Now on the right side we have the buttons. They are pretty big, easily traceable, and have a nice clicky feel to them. Now this case has a feather-light composite construction with the armored shell and an impact-resistant soft core. It even has flexible frame made of dust-repellent and non-slip material. It is drop-tested and military-grade certified, so it gives reliable protection against impacts, drops, scratches, and dirt. So guys, if you're looking for all-round protection and great case for your Samsung Galaxy A52, I can definitely recommend you this case. By the way guys, if you're planning to buy this case and looking for the best deal, you can buy it on the techitech website, where you can always get 7% discount if you're buying anything over 750 rupees. And you can even get 10% discount by using the social widgets. So that's definitely a great place to buy this case. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this case or the phone itself, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. See you again sometime. Have a fantastic day.